Alright guys, we've got the Crown Zenith Elite Trainer box for today. We actually recorded a couple of videos today, but anyway, we'll probably try and release them separately. Obviously you get this funny cardboard divider thingy. We get a bunch of packs. This is what we're here for. In this one we get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Normally you get 8, but it's the Crown Zenith releases like a special edition kind of thing, because it's the last sword and shield. These look actually really nice. I might upgrade from the ones I've been using. It's the code card for you guys. Here's the Lucario promo. That's actually really nice. Half the good cards in my collection are promos, to be honest with you. I'll do a collection update one of the days. Fat stack of energies. Dividers. And then the red on the other side, which is really cool. I thought it was 2 red and 2 blue, but that's actually very nice as well. And yeah, all the normal ETB stuff. Very nice. Put my thing under that back. Okay, we've got the sleeves at the ready. Before anything good. As far as I understand these packs, okay, here's the first one. Have a lot of better art, work and stuff. Because it's like I said, some sort of collector's edition. This is as per the lady at the Pokémon shop. She told me about this stuff. Ooh, this pack I think is still 3 to the front. 3 to the front, energy. Okay, that's correct. Execute, Love Disc, Emolga, energy. Huh? I got 2 energies. What? Oh, dude, no way. No way, that's my first Charizard ever. I'm so stoked about that. Dude, this ETB is off to a hot start. Oh shit. I'm just gonna try and not get busted. There. I'd have to explain why I've got so many Pokemon cards. The Charizard kind of makes it worth it at this point. Oh, dude. Crown Zenith is the best set ever. 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 I'm going to buy another ETB tomorrow. Bro. Okay, we got Dusclops, that, Laron, Cricketot, Shinx, that, Emolga, Solrock, Luxray, nothing. After the first 2 packs, honestly, I'm not too fussed about that. On my day. I know if we get something good you might say I'm scamming, but the reason it was off camera is because I had to bite it, okay? I had to bite it. Shaman, Friends in History. This is actually a nice card, dude. It's almost worth a sleeve, honestly, by itself, I think. Bidoof. Slanted. Ooh, dude. The pulls. The pulls. Oh. Wow. Wow. This is the most OG set. Hey. High energy. Digging Dew, Shaman, Crushing Hammer, Emolga, Love Disc, Chatot. Yeah, man, this is looking like my Pokemon Go collection right now. Ponyard, Purloin, Leopard. Ah. What is it? One hit, one miss. Take to the front. Energy. Ray Candy, Luxio, Trekking Shoes, Chatot, Yamma, Ponyard, Cricketot, Shinx. Ooh. Oh. Dude. The pools. Dude, we got Charizard V and Radiant Charizard from one box. Dude, the set's got the heat. I've opened some really good Scarlet and Violet today as well, but I think Crown Zenith is honestly over the top, dude. Over the top. Friends in a Sui. I don't even know what that last one was. Lost Vacuum, Luxray, Pokeball, Young Goose, Cherubi, Execute. I think there's something shiny on the back. Energy Retrieval, Mewtwo, Zamazenta V, Dog. The pulls! The pulls are just too fire. Getting to the last few packs. Theory, we got one more hit and two misses. So let's see how that goes. Code card. 1, 2, 3 to the front. Energy. Dude, my bulk is actually getting out of control today. I'm not gonna lie. Anyone on Pokemon card bulk? Anyone on bulk? Oranguru. Snorlax. Dude, he looks knitted and stuff. You guys see that? It's actually really cool. Snorlax is like my favorite Pokemon. So I find it extra cool. I suppose this is one of the most cheesiest reasons anyone's ever liked Snorlax, but yes, it's because we relate, because I like to eat and I like to sleep. Oh shit, did we just see something? Krokorok, Ultra Ball, Young Goose, Cherubi, Starly, Switch, Execute, Hop, his name is Hop, Dragalaga, oh, well, Scan. Well, theoretically, those are two misses. This one should be a hit. Let's see how it goes. What energy? Okay. Krokorok, Lunatone, Solrock, Cherubi, Execute. Energy Retrieval, Emolga, Love Disc. Energy. No way, dude. It's like one of the best cards in the set. Dude, let's just do a quick recap, my boy. We got this one. Okay, the Itch Lucario promo, the guaranteed. And then here's what we got from the rest of the set, dude. There's 10 packs, right? We got one rocking Pikachu, one rocking Zamazenta V. That's 2 good cards. Radiant Charizard, 3 good cards. Dunsparce, 4 good cards. This lady, 5 good cards. 6 good cards. And the promo from the set. So all in all, I think we've had a pretty good day. We've got a heck of a mess. Thank you very much. Please subscribe.